What's up YouTube? It's me, Johnny. I want to thank you for checking out my channel, and today I want to make you a very powerful antioxidant smoothie for gut health to help build up your immune system. And they say that true health starts in your gut. When I was diagnosed intestinal non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. That means I was sick in the gut area, very weak immune system. And I had to learn and become a student of the game and how to take control of my health. When I started learning about berries, I didn't know anything at first, so this is learn as you go. But I want to go over the recipes, and maybe this can help you out while we're going through this pandemic. And it's sad because they're telling you what this thing can do to destroy your immune system, but nobody's really telling you how to build up your immune system. I believe the Creator's given us everything in the garden to help build up the immune system naturally. Let's go over the ingredients. All right, let's get into this. This recipe calls for a half spoon of chia seeds, 1/2 spoon of fresh crushed grounded flaxseed, and 1/2 spoon of hemp seeds, my protein. It'll also call for 2 dates, which are optional, depends how sweet you want it to get, and 1 ladyfinger banana. All right, about 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk. This organic blend you can pick up at Costco, and as you can see what it has in it, and it has strawberries, dark cherries, blueberries, raspberries, pomegranate juice, infused cranberries. And this is powerful antioxidants. I'm also going to add a little bit of coconut water for brain health, electrolytes, and I'm also going to add some plant-based yogurt for probiotics. Your body knows exactly what to do with everything here. This is how you're going to boost your immune system. Let's mix it all together now. Here we go. It's delicious. This is what the Creator's given us in the garden for gut health. If you want to build your immune system, you know, the sad part about it is what we're going through today is with this pandemic is they're telling you how this thing can rip apart your immune system, but no one's telling you how you can build your immune system naturally. The Creator has given us everything in the garden for us to build our immune system naturally. Food is medicine. This is it. And it all starts in the gut. Thanks guys for checking out my channel. God bless you guys, and man, this is good. God bless and take care. Let's go.